last dumb video on this pier today. Bye, Scotch Mist. Hope you're still there. Stay boat. If anybody's still out here, the fire is on Front Street and it is time to go. If anybody's still here, the fire is on Front Street and it is time to go. If anybody's still here, the fire's on Front Street and it's time to go.
When the firestorm came through the banyan tree and took everything with it, and I just ran out to the beach and I ran south and I just helped everybody I could along the way.
Oh my gosh, look at the harbor. Oh my gosh. Dad or something.
Resident of Lahaina for about 18 years, and we just had the worst disaster I've ever seen. All Lahaina is burnt to crisp, and it's like an apocalypse.
Right in the Lahaina Harbor, the courthouse in there, the mission home, all the church, all the places that are tourist areas that are Hawaiian history are gone. And that can't be replaced. It's lost forever.
We are preparing for the hurricane. We expect rain. Sometimes we expect floods. We never anticipated in this state that a hurricane, which did not make impact on our islands, will cause this type of wildfires. Wildfires that wiped out communities.